Hello, and thank you for watching Accelerate with Nerdio. In this video, I'm going to walk you through creating a new user. So first, let's discuss the prerequisites, and then second, I'll walk you through a demo of the process. Prerequisites here are pretty simple. If the user's going to need access to Office resources, like a mailbox or Office applications, you're going to need an available license in your tenant to assign to the user. Again, what this means is that the Nerdio admin portal can't purchase new licenses for you. You'll need to go ahead and purchase those ahead of time, but we can allow you to assign those licenses once purchased. So let's dive into the admin portal and take a look at the process. I'm going to go to Users, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on Create New User up at the top right. There we go. And now just some simple fields need to be filled out here. And let's take a step back and think about what we're accomplishing. When we think about what we're filling out in this section, we're basically creating an Active Directory user, right, that lives on DCO1 and is going to synchronize back to O365. So let's call our user demo user. We'll set up their primary email address. And if we want, we can even set up additional alias addresses. Let's make this one sales. We're going to assign an O365 license, so let's see what's available in the environment. If I expand on that, I can see that I don't have any available 365 E3s, but I do have an available Enterprise E3. For the sake of this demo, we'll say that that satisfies what's needed. Now, what kind of desktop assignment will this user have? Well, we have our options. We have our WVD pooled desktops, right? These are our groups of hosts within pools, and I can choose the one that they need to be in. We also have the ability to assign remote app sessions if needed. I don't have any in this demo environment. Or we can create a one-to-one dedicated desktop. We do have other videos that will go much deeper into these desktop types, but for today's example, I'm just going to put them in Pool A. Now, as we scroll down, we see the next question is Active Directory groups and this copy from option. So what does copy from do? That means I can take another user, let's use Chad CEO as our example, and let's assume that our demo user is going to have the same access rights in the company. Maybe they're in a similar position, and so by copying from Chad, it automatically populates my Active Directory groups, and it will also fill in some of the extended attributes like login script. Now, in this case, we've basically brought over those groups. We can look at these attributes to see if anything else needs to be filled in. Any of these validations need to be checked. In this case, I'm going to turn password never expires off. I want to make sure that every 90 days, or depending on the password policy, my new user is going to be asked to reset their password. And I can even set up a welcome email. And this is great as we offer full white labeling. So the demo version of it here shows our Nerdio branding, but this could absolutely have your company's branding on it as well. Again, we have a white labeling video that you can check out further details on. So all I have to do is hit save here, and I can have that email sent out. The user gets created, the O365 resources get set up, assignment to the desktop gets completed. I fully onboarded this user from this single pane of glass in Nerdio. Now, we will have further details and articles in the comments section, and also don't forget to visit help.nerdio.net. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and please have a great day.